Hello, my name is Nancy Miller, and I'm going to talk about in this training how to add chemicals to the chemical inventory. When chemicals are purchased, the front office staff sends to me a scan of the packing slip. And from that packing slip, I can see what chemicals were purchased and the information I need to print a chemical tag to go on that bottle. Graduate students do not need to enter in Chematix the chemical inventory, but they do need to pick up the tag I have printed in their mailbox next to the copier and put them on the bottle of chemicals and put that tag on the chemical bottle. I am going to go through the procedures so that you're familiar with how chemicals are added to the inventory. Here you see on my shared screen the Chematix homepage. I'm going to go to Inventory Management. And the first tab here on the left is Add Chemicals to Your Inventory. So I'm going to click this. This screen pops up, and I'm going to go down here and put the name of the chemical that that has been purchased and search. And I put in acetone, and you can see all different grades, HPLC, different concentrations of acetone. So I'll choose the appropriate description for this bottle, and then the form wants the volume. So I usually can read this off of the packing slip, 4 liters. If you have more than one, like 4, I can print 4 tags. And then it wants me to select a location. Let's say this was purchased by Hild's lab, and Hild has more than one lab. So in general, I will put this in the most common place where chemicals are stored and submit. Now, I'm going to hit submit, and then the screen comes up here for me to print the tag. So by going over here to the printers and selecting engineering printer, I can print the barcode tag. It gives me a green banner up at the top telling me that it was successful and there were no problems. One thing that I might run into sometimes is chemicals expire and have to have an expiration date. And in that case, I put 1 year. And so every year you'll get, if it's a chemical that expires, you'll get a warning after a year that it's expired. Once I have printed this, you can see the barcode comes up here, and then I hit submit, and the tag is printed in my office, and it says apply this to the container. Okay. So in order to apply this to the container, we have a form. I'll bring over here. It looks like this. Here you see the chemical inventory confirmation sheet. You'll find in your mailbox on there, I have printed the chemical or all the chemicals you have purchased, the CAS numbers, and the corresponding barcode. I will tape the barcode on this sheet, print it out, and it'll be in your mailbox next to the copier. When you get this sheet, you will take the barcode off of the form and put it on the bottle. You will then indicate here that you've done that and the final location. If, for example, this chemical was going in room 65 instead of 241 in Dr. Hild's labs, I can then move the chemical from this lab number to the other. You will then complete this form by signing and indicating the research advisor and return this to my mailbox next to the copier.